Hi, I'm Mark Carvin. In this video, we're going to learn how to build a £1 million property portfolio fast and safely. So look, I'm going to share with you some easy, safe strategies that have not only allowed myself, but many other people who have followed this strategy to create over £1 million in property portfolio with tens of thousands of pounds of cash flow as well. So all you need to do is follow these steps. Step number one is you just need a very simple method, and there's other videos that we've done here on YouTube, so subscribe to this channel so you can always get updated. What you're going to do is once you find a deal, you're then going to follow this. So I'm going to give you an example of a real deal and a real situation that got us over £1 million worth of property. So first, we bought a property for £119,000. Then we spent around £55,000 for all the buy costs, all of the costs of the refurb and converting it into a 6-bed HMO. So this is a highly cash flowing property. We just took a normal residential house and converted it into a 6-bedroom all-en-suite HMO. So it's highly cash flowing. But we're not going to talk about cash flow in this video. This is about how we build a property portfolio of over £1 million. Once we've spent this money and converted it into a 6-bed HMO, it is now worth a lot more. And again, there is other videos on Article 4 areas, commercial valuations and refinances that you can also check out on this channel. Now this property is worth more because we've made the conversion. It's actually worth £350,000. Now here's the thing, and some people are like, oh my God, you're over leveraging. What are you going to if you need to sell it? Hey, listen, just because it's worth now $350,000 doesn't mean that I actually have to fully leverage it. Because if I wanted to, I could leverage 75% of this with a new refinance from a bank, and I would be able to take all of this money out and have nearly £90,000 out on top of it as well. But if I just want to get my initial investment out of it, which is this money here, then actually I could just refinance at 50%. I could get better I could get better interest rates or better products available to me as well, because there's more equity in the property. But look, how many of these would you actually need to get over £1 million? Me, myself, Trisha, many of our people that have been to Real Life Property Wealth and in the Real Life Tribe, they can do 4, 5, 6, some people even doing 7 projects just in their first year. I'm not saying that's going to be the same for you, but to get over £1 million, all you would need is 3 of these properties, and you have over £1 million property portfolio. And then cash flow, that's another thing, because these properties, they're cash flowing anywhere between £1,500 to £1,800, even sometimes £2,000 each. So look, if you want to have over £1 million property portfolio and a cash flow nicely of over, let's say, £6,000, then all you need to do is follow this strategy, and that is as simple as that. Anything else that comes up is just a story. And I know there's a lot of people out there that might want to question this, but that's the reason they probably don't make the moves that they have the potential to make in life. So if you want to be different, subscribe to this, or maybe we'll see you at a Real Life Property Wealth soon.